Hello, this is Mrs. Simon, and I'm here to tell you about our field trip to the Minnesota Historical Society today. You can see on this little map that this is the state of Minnesota. We live in the state of Wisconsin, which is right next door. Prescott's about right here, and we're very lucky because we can travel across the river, across the bridge into Minnesota, and we can go up to St. Paul, where there's all kinds of really cool, fun things to see and to do. One of those things is the Minnesota History Center. Of course, we can't travel there in person right now, but we can look at some of the amazing things they have online for us to do. The first thing is called Forests, Fields, and Falls, and this is kind of an interactive way to look at the history of Minnesota and actually Wisconsin too. I'm going to show you, if you click on lumbering, it's kind of like a comic book, like a graphic novel, and it will read the story to you. Make sure you look for the speaker icon, click on that, and you will be able to listen to the story. When you're finished, click here on activity ideas, and there will be some interesting things for you to do. The next activity on this field trip is to visit the bookstore at the Minnesota History Center. There are several stories written by Minnesota authors that you can read on the YouTube channel. And they are about things that we're kind of familiar with here in Wisconsin and Minnesota. There's one about the storm coming, and that's actually written and illustrated by an illustrator that's from Prescott. His name is David Geister. There's a story about collecting bugs. There's a story about a girl who goes up north and stays by Lake Superior and has some adventures there. Then there is a story called It's Milking Time. And as you know, a lot of farm families live in Wisconsin and Minnesota. Here's another picture of Wisconsin and Minnesota. It's Milking Time is kind of a special story to me. It reminds me very much of when I was growing up and I would go help my dad bring in the cows and milk the cows in the barn when I was young. And it's a pretty cool story. I've added some information about barnyard babies, and I'm asking you to finish your field trip by using your imagination and doing some pretending, and you can create a farm of your own. Maybe you can pretend to be a veterinarian. Think about some of those things that you learned today, some of the stories, and have some fun using your imagination. Enjoy the trip. Have a wonderful day.